Welcome back on Schnetzel. Welcome to my own do-it-yourself guitar build project. Well, I used the guitar kit from Harley Benton. It's the private label from the German music instrument creation and deliver service Thomann. If you're from the US, from the States, probably you can ship this stuff over there. But I know there are a lot of good guitar shops in the US. Of course, because e-guitars are from the States. But anyways, I will show the site for you. I choose the Harley Benton electric guitar kit Extreme 84. I thought 84 was for the year in style. 84 was a very good thrash metal year. So, but I don't think it's meant this way. This is the guitar if it's done. There are some parts of it, the guitar body, yeah, and the neck of the guitar, and the humbuckers and stuff. There, the electric, the wires, and yeah, in many parts. This whole thing in price is at the moment £135. But we can go back a little bit. There you can find some other kits too. There's a Harley Benton electric guitar kit T-style for £75, and I think the price is good. Why do I use do I want to create my own or build my own guitar? Well, it's easy. 20 years ago I played bass in a kind of metal band. 20 years ago with this bass, electric bass. I played this bass very well. More bad than good. So I started to think, well, what can I do? I'm an introvert metalhead and gamer. I like metalheads, but the rest I don't know. So what can I do with my last 10 or 15 years? I want to try to learn guitar playing, electric guitar playing by chaos, without notes, just with tabs, like I played my bass back then. But this time I want to create something with my own soul, so I started to build my own guitar. And the first step to create my own guitar is to print something on this guitar. And I think, well, I can draw something on my guitar. I can, I can color it. I can put some foil or something on my guitar. But no, I want to burn it, because burn something with a soldering iron into the wood is more metal than anything else. So I think about what drawings and motifs I can use. I wanted to use something pagan a little bit, something mythological, because on this channel I want to react to some spooky stuff too, because I like that, some UAPs, some ghost stories. With AI, many of these stuff is AI generated, but there are very old videos we can react to in the future. I like that stuff. It's funny, and I know the galaxy is full of life. On this guitar build kit, I wanted to create something old and something new. So I started to speak with Chat GPT, and I wanted to Chat GPT create me some pictures. What I thought of was Heimdall's bugle or Heimdall's horn. You know, Heimdall, the gatekeeper of Asgard. Heimdall is also the protector of mankind, one protector of mankind, the god of mankind. So he's a protector of us, of our realm of Earth. And this bugle he uses to signal something is coming, bad and good. It's a good motive for singing, good noises, good sounds. And I want to create some good sounds with this guitar, and it's very astonishing, wonderful. If you can redraw something like that on your guitar, it's awesome. I like it. Look, this is very much look like Loki in the Marvel universe. Look, these horns. Loki had these horns on his helmet, but the smile, the long hair, you know. This is your Heimdall's bugle, you know, the noise it makes, the good noise for humankind. Yeah, it's nice. Ignore the rune. I ignored the rune because many runes are forbidden in Germany. Well, I still live in Germany, so I have to check this very seriously. And the next picture was this year. because I like this. It's like a branding of a coffee shop or something, but it's a little bit today female looking. You know what I mean? So I said I need it easier. I'm too stupid to handle this on with a soldering iron on my guitar body. I can't recreate something like that. So Chat GPT created this Baphomet. This goat, I like it. I like the teeth. I like it very much. But it's not. It's of course too. Yeah, well. It's something for a black metal guitar kit, you know. I like it. But later. We have time. Later. But I decided for that mask. It reminded me on the film The Mask with Jim Carrey. He put Loki's mask on and done very crazy stuff. I like that very much. Very awesome film. If you want to re-watch this film, don't print it out. I redraw these lines with a piece of paper on my monitor. Put it on my guitar body, and that is the result of this creation. Look. Let me turn it this way. See? This is Loki's mask. Yeah, it's something new. I like it. It's a new the new world we're now living in. New pagan style, so to speak. And this buckle of Heimdall is the old way, the old pagan style, the Viking style, you know. In the future video I will create it with a soldering iron. You will see it. I won't skip this step for you. I want that you can see it and you can recreate it by yourself with your own do-it-yourself guitar build kit. Well, it's an inspiration for you. I hope I can inspire you to create something by yourself. And yeah, have a nice week. See you soon. Tschüssi.